akhirta waxaan sameynayaa un just quickly review of week waxa dhacay on the previous week hadda dhamaaday iyo marketka the analysis of it. So waxaan u baahnaa inaan helno this is the Tuesday iska Monday di watan Monday da marketku markuu isfuray hoos buu soo dhacay. This is Monday. It's on the daily candle going. It came all the way down, tapped into this fair value gap can, and it didn't better of a color can. Fair value gap can. Oh, wrong one. As you can see, this fair value gap market ku kajara dhaxbaxay, but you see the wicks. Weeks soon back at like in the market who isticmaalay, then immediately went all the way up, took the previous day's high, week high, all-time high buu sameeyay, closed the market haga. Tuesday di baa la yimid, market ku xagu iska furay, hagan sar uu iska furay, took out the Monday's high ka, created all-time high kala, went all the way down, then back and closed haga. waxaa loo yimaadana Wednesday-dana marketku uu xiray, wuxuu gaadhay opening-a maxay Monday-da kor buu kacay. It failed to take out any significant level maalintan from Monday-da iyo Tuesday-da, lakin of course Wednesday-di wuu cunay. Marketku hoos buu soo dhacay if you look at the Wednesday-da. Lakin egg how the body respects this fair value gap iyo this fair value gap. Waa laba fair value gap oo isdhex cararaya. Kani waa mid fair value gap ah. Let me just show you. And this is a great lesson to know. This one is a fair value gap. Laba fair value gap baa isdhex maraya and this one. So markay sidan dhacdo, when two fair value gaps overlap each other, waxaad isticmaalaysaa ka yar kaana magaciisu wuxuu noqonayaa waxaa loo yaqaano BPR, balance price range. So fair value gap can balance price range. I will explain another time what exactly makes this area balance price range ka. Lakin when two fair value gaps overlap each other, ka yaraad qaadanaysaa waad jiidaysaa waxaan loo yaqaanaa BPR, balance price range. So marketka waxaad arkaysaan but even this week xagu siduu u isticmaalayay this area to send price higher, lakin markaas uu ka dhex baxo waa usually it's the wicks, but the body respects it. So hadda xaggan aan taaganahay, before I go down to the lower time frame ka, xaggan aan taaganahay Sunday-dana maanta uu furayaa in a couple of days. Maxay ii noqonaysaa my prediction for the coming week oo kale? Am I expecting higher prices or am I expecting lower prices? Aniga waxaan arkayaa we can go even higher, lakin ma arki something that can send us usually down. Sababta waxaan ku jirnaa all-time high, dhankana markaad aragtay way maran tahay. But lakin it's an area that I'm interested if the market is gonna pull down. Waxa weeyaan hagan loo yaqaano volume imbalance kan. Volume imbalance kan week baa soo dhexmaray, lakin jirs mu soo dhexmarin this specific area from this weekly candle ka to this weekly candle. So if the price is gonna go down, my target is not only this sell side, but like waxay noqonaysaa inaan buuxino this area. This liquidity void xaggan uu ka maqan yahay price ku. So let me go on the daily. If I'm going on the daily, I can also see another volume imbalance, labadan candle, lakin that's for you inaad calaamadisid. at the same time na there is a fair value gap adigood u baahantay take it inaad calaamasatid. So the lower price can expect garayno if the market opens balance price range kan soo hoos galo and it uses this balance price range to send price lower to take out this sell side to fill out this volume imbalance and also this one and perhaps fair value gap kan and idin calaamaday horta fair value gap kan this fair value gap. So aniga asal ahaanta if we're not just gonna use this fair value gap kan because I have to see mondayga siduu isticmaalo price-ku aduuna isticmaalin this balance price range just to keep to send us higher waxayna ku xidhan tahay newskana mondaydan soo dhigaya. So that's what I'm looking at marketka now waxa weeyaan wuxuu ku jiraa xilli where you have to allow both sides of the market ma aha there's no thing of clarity market is no clarity now it can go up and it can go lower. So labada side ba hadda waa loo ciyaaraya because it's the third week of the year. So market kun is not as simple ma aha wax fudud because you can see it in the market a lot of weeks baad arkaysan market it's not a good trading day wali anan kamaan haysanin week is expected of marka sanadku u bilaamo because marketku wali alanka incentive mu dhisin. But like as I said market I'm just expecting either to use this BPR to send price higher perhaps take this high out this high where it's buy side ama xagan where is the sell side ka this area has a sell side this area has a sell side below so and perhaps in fair value gap can fill gareeyo or just simply send price to equilibrium ka kala barka so probably volume imbalance is also very attractive. So that's just the way I will be looking at price or color and on the daily basis ka. Let us see what price ku sameeyay on the 1 hour of the weeks area and as you can see this PPR ka candle ku siduu u isticmaalayay throughout the week. So tani waxay ahayd tii markasta ay calaamsaneed marketku kolbuu kasoo dhex baxayay uu imaanayay you can see the price has came back to this place multiple times balance price range kan ma arkaysaan price ku ka dhex baxay haddana uu isticmaalaysa support it uses as a resistance it failed. So this area waxaad arki kartaa inay at least ay tahay sensitive area you cannot deny it you can see this price level kan BPR kan is not a random meelahana waa meelo aad ka helisid what a setup. So that's why marmarka qaar marka setup raadinaysid meelahan oo kale laga sii dhex raadiyo it does not happen on a random occasion. Okay xagana waxaan calaamadeeyay something that I have not taught yet here oo loo yaqaano breaker waxa weeyaan basically when you have a low a high a lower low waxaad arkaysaa the highest candle-ka green ka ah badanka jirka la qaataa laakiinse kana ugu week dheer you take that waa soo jiidaysaa you use his body jirkiisa isticmaalaysaa of the candle-kan hadda isticmaalay waa kan breaker baa loo yaqaanaa oo badanka wuxuu yaalaa between a low a high a lower low the highest up close candle-ka you have to stretch that out in time. So taasoo kale loo yaqaana breaker kana badanka setupyo badan baa ku sameysma xaggan waad arkaysaa price failed to reach it went down BPR ku haddana isticmaalay you can see sida 50% ka uu isticmaalayo to to send price higher went into the breaker لكن egg how much resistance ku jirta maxay ahayd the breaker, the 1 hour breaker. So price ku struggle to go through inuu ka dhex baxo haygan qabsado, price kun buu hoos usoo diray, and then I tried again, immediately way soo gashay, price ku hoos buu dhalaalay. So for this week, if price maybe goes a little bit up, buy side kan uu qabsado 50% kan breaker ka inuu isticmaalo, send price lower through this BPR, sell side kan, and perhaps use this area to send price lower to this weekly the volume imbalance ki aan idin tusinayay kan waa ki aan idin tusinay markii and take out these sell sides, this sell side and also hagan there, and we also have a lower price we can target. So be very open-minded and just price ka si fiican u yara akhriya, and it can go also both ways. Not a lot of things oo hadda aan ku shaqeynaa ma jirto because waxaan joognaa all time high, candleya badan oo aan isticmaali karno for analysis on the daily and weekly does not exist on the higher maxay marka kor loo sii kacayo but downward yes, but like one eegana the way price ku sheekadiisa rabo inuu u sheekayo this week.